Dr. Esther Trufan, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can perform a kinetics experiment using the Kool-Aid with the red food dye and a bleach solution, all in a vernier spectrophotometer. So the first and most important thing for this experiment is going to be our vernier spectrophotometer. This one wirelessly connects to a device in our data collection. For our materials, we're going to need our previously prepared bleach and Kool-Aid solutions. And for our measurements today, we're going to use a micropipette with a tip. We will need to measure out 1.5 milliliters of both solutions. And so we're going to need 2 tips, and we'll need to dispose of the first one in the rotation. The other thing that we're going to need is a cuvette with a lid. And we have that right here. So to get started, the first thing that we're going to do is open up our Kool-Aid container and extract 1.5 milliliters of the Kool-Aid solution. So we press to the first stop, submerge it into our solution, remove it, and then push it down to the second stop. At this point, we're going to discard of the tip of the micropipette, and we are going to proceed to extract our 1.5 milliliter of bleach solution. Now we are ready to extract our bleach solution. We press down until the first stop, extract our appropriate volume of solution, place our cuvette with the clear side of the windows pointing towards the green light bulb, and then we set up our experiment. We press New Experiment, Absorbance versus Time for Kinetics. We need to enter the wavelength that we determined shows the maximum absorbance, which for us is 494 nanometers. We click Done, and we can close out that little window. Next, we're going to press our micropipette all the way to the second stop and release all the bleach solution inside the cuvette. And then at that point, we press Collect, and our data collection will begin. And this will allow the spectrophotometer to collect the absorbance at the 494 nanometer wavelength every 3 seconds. And we will continue this measurement until at least 3 consecutive absorbance values are identical. And by that time, our cuvette should hold a clear mixture instead of our red solution. We can tell that our solution is getting lighter and lighter in color. We just need to keep going with this experiment until it becomes as clear as possible, or until 3 consecutive numbers on the absorbance reading are identical.